Well,
they
kung
said,
mayroon
sir.
mang ganun, dapat na headline na.
Actually, sir, that
Wala.
was the argument po.
Wala naman, di ba?
Yes, sir, wala
Madaling
po.
malaman ngayon. Kahit 10 lang mag-demonstrate doon, malalaman namin eh. If we would know. Lalo na yung sinabi mong numero, 300. So I can assure you, there's no such thing. So I don't want to give credence to that report. Kung wala naman nangyayari, no? May nagpapalaki lang siguro niyan. Pero sa kaalaman nating lahat, wala namang ganon. Kung mag-seek sila ng audience sa any politiko, pwede naman sila paunlakan, no? But to say na they're calling for resignation, 300 sila. Malalaman nating lahat yun. I don't think it happened.
I think one thing more is that they claim, I think that was the claim, the pointer. This particular group claimed that the resignation of the former speaker was due to their pressure, especially with their 300 strong members, with the intent to burn the Congress. I think they're claiming that as a statement.
Wala akong alam na ganon na the speaker resigned because a group of officers asked him to resign. Nagsalita na si speaker, he had made his own official statement, and let's leave it at that. No?
Thank you very much, Ed. Any other further clarifications on that part? Yes, Victor from Malaya. Paki-pass the mic, Sir Kino.
Just a clarification, sir. Yung sinasabi mo kanina, sir, na retirees na hindi AGPO member na calling to take up arms, you're referring to General Focus and General De Leon. Tama, sir, no?
Kayo nagsabi ng pangalan, ano? And yun nga rin ang sagot ko. Whoever violates the law and meron tayong kulang batas can face prosecution, no? After due process.
Pero sa may na-mention kang dalawang retirees, sir, na hindi AGPO.